Watch out, Tesla. Volkswagen may before long be the bigger, better boss ready to get things done with regards to EV deals. During a meeting with CNBC at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess expressed that when the organization clears up those troublesome worldwide store network issues, it will end up being the greatest EV creator on the planet, abandoning Tesla inside the following 3 years. Despite the fact that he yielded that Tesla at present is ahead of the pack with regards to EVs, VW is, as yet targeting keeping up and most likely overwhelming by 2025 with regards to deals, Diess guaranteed. It's a major case. Tesla has an enormous early advantage, yet given the organization's new headways, it's not impossible. While he doesn't expect the auto inventory network to totally bounce back by the end of the year, the worldwide semiconductor lack is as yet smashing the vehicle business. Diess is seeing dollar signs. I would agree that we would see a mitigation of this present circumstance towards mid-year, and last part we ought to be in better shape, the Volkswagen CEO told CNBC, on the off chance that the circumstance isn't deteriorating, which I have to take a hard pass. Diess talks a lofty talk, yet VW has for sure ended up being a not kidding contender to Tesla, taking in a modest amount of 2021 all-electric vehicle deals around the world, the third most elevated after Chinese vehicle deals pioneer SAIC Motor. Tesla came in at number 1, with an impressive 21% piece of the pie. At the end of the day, in the Western market, VW is Tesla's greatest rival with regards to EVs, so it's certainly feasible for it to surpass Elon Musk's vehicle adventure. However, VW has its work removed. Tesla sold almost 1 million EVs in 2021 while VW sold only 453,000, implying that it has quite far to go over the course of the following more than 2 years.